The trigger point in a supermarket should be based on this time.
What is the lead time to replenish?
Non-value added activities are called this in Japanese, meaning unnecessary.
What is muda?
The letters L, T, and V, C, T on this value stream map refer to these two timely metrics.
What are lag time and value capability?
What are lead time and value creating time?
According to Womack and Jones, value should always be defined by this entity.
Who is the customer?
Creating flow means that none of this should be piling up between processes.
What is inventory?
This Japanese word refers to good change or change for the better.
What is Kaizen?
Work should flow at the pace of the customer, known as this.
What is takt time?
A Type B pull system could utilize this type of lane. Hint: it is a 4-letter acronym.
What is a FIFO lane?
A typical door-to-door value stream map shows material flow as well as the flow of this.
What is information?
A signal kanban is also referred to as this geometric shape.
What is a triangle kanban?
Thanks. That is our show for today.